Welcome to the Amazon rainforest, the world's largest tropical forest. Spanning 5.5 million square kilometers across 9 countries, it produces 20% of the planet's oxygen and hosts millions of species. Today, we'll explore 100 amazing facts that reveal its wonders, secrets, and incredible role in keeping life on Earth alive and thriving. Chapter 1. The Amazon rainforest is so massive it produces 20% of the world's oxygen. Its dense green canopy stretches across 9 countries, covering 5.5 million square kilometers. Imagine a forest so alive, it's often called the lungs of the earth. Every breath we take is quietly connected to this enormous, vibrant ecosystem. Chapter 2. Hidden in the Amazon are over 400 billion trees, each unique. The forest is a living library, storing centuries of ecological data. Some trees grow over 70 meters tall, hosting countless species in their branches. Every rustle in the leaves tells a story of survival, balance, and hidden life waiting to be discovered. Chapter 3. The Amazon is home to more than 2.5 million insect species, many unknown to science. From luminous beetles to camouflage masters, each plays a vital role in pollination, decomposition, and food chains. This tiny army keeps the forest thriving, reminding us that even the smallest creatures hold enormous power. Chapter 4. Over 400 mammal species roam the Amazon, including jaguars, tapirs, and sloths. Jaguars silently patrol the forest floor, apex predators maintaining balance, while sloths move with slow patience, their algae-coated fur a tiny ecosystem itself. Every species has a role, showing the Amazon's incredible web of life in action. Chapter 5. The Amazon River stretches over 6,400 kilometers, carrying more water than any other river on Earth. Its tributaries create a vast network of waterways, nourishing the forest and its inhabitants. Scientists call it the River Sea because during flood seasons, it becomes a temporary water world, reshaping the land and life. Chapter 6. The rainforest's climate is extreme yet stable. It produces up to 2,300 millimeters of rainfall per year in some areas. These rains feed rivers, trees, and animals, while also driving the water cycle that affects weather across continents. The forest literally helps regulate the planet's climate, one drop at a time. Chapter 7. The Amazon is home to over 2,200 bird species, including macaws and harpy eagles. Their colors and calls paint the forest with vibrancy. Birds act as seed dispersers, spreading life across the canopy. In a single morning, a rainforest sounds like a symphony of life, each note a vital contribution to survival. Chapter 8. Some plants in the Amazon have incredible medical powers. Quinine, a treatment for malaria, comes from the bark of the cinchona tree. Thousands of other plants are still being studied for potential cures. The forest isn't just beautiful, it's a natural pharmacy, holding secrets to human survival and health. Chapter 9. The Amazon's soil may look rich, but is actually surprisingly nutrient-poor. Most nutrients live above in the trees and plants. The rainforest thrives because of efficient recycling, where fallen leaves decompose quickly, feeding new growth. This rapid cycle keeps the forest alive despite challenging conditions below the surface. Chapter 10. Lightning strikes in the Amazon create mini fires, which sound destructive but are crucial for renewal. They clear space for new plants, stimulate seed germination, and maintain balance. Nature uses even danger as a tool for growth, showing that the Amazon's chaos is secretly organized for survival. Chapter 11. The Amazon is home to over 400 species of amphibians, including poison dart frogs. Their colors warn predators of toxicity, a natural survival signal. Each frog is part of a delicate balance, controlling insects and serving as food for birds and snakes. Their presence quietly reflects the health of the rainforest ecosystem. Chapter 12. Anacondas, the Amazon's giant snakes, can grow over 9 meters long. They silently glide through rivers, hunting capybaras and caimans. These powerful predators control prey populations, ensuring no species overgrows. Though dangerous, anacondas are a perfect example of the forest's ancient, efficient design, where every creature has a precise role. Chapter 13. The Amazon holds more than 1,300 bird species that migrate seasonally. Some travel thousands of kilometers, connecting ecosystems. Their movement spreads seeds and pollens, linking distant forests. These avian travelers are nature's couriers, proving that the rainforest is not isolated. It's a hub of global biodiversity. Chapter 14. The forest's canopy acts like a natural roof, blocking 95% of sunlight. This creates a shaded, humid underworld where ferns, fungi, and small animals thrive. Each layer of the forest has a purpose, like floors of a skyscraper, showing vertical biodiversity at its finest. Life happens in layers, hidden yet essential. Chapter 15. The Amazon produces so much water vapor that it creates its own rain. Trees release moisture, forming clouds that drift across South America. This flying rivers phenomenon is crucial for agriculture and cities far beyond the forest. The rainforest is not just local, it shapes weather continents away. Chapter 16. Many Amazon trees live for hundreds of years, silently recording climate history in their rings. Each tree is a living archive of rainfall, droughts, and temperature shifts. Studying them reveals how the forest responds to environmental changes, offering clues about Earth's long-term climate patterns. Chapter 17. The Amazon River's fish diversity is unmatched, with over 2,200 species. Piranhas get the spotlight, but catfish, electric eels, and tetras play crucial roles. Some fish even survive in seasonal floods, moving with water cycles. Life here is adaptation in action, where survival demands flexibility and intelligence. Chapter 18. Giant river otters live in family groups, hunting cooperatively in the Amazon waterways. Their playful behavior hides a serious purpose, maintaining fish populations and keeping rivers healthy. Watching them is a lesson in teamwork, showing that even fun creatures are key to the forest's balance and resilience. Chapter 19. The Amazon hosts unique fungi and microbes, some only found on one tree or leaf. They recycle dead material, fight pathogens, and even communicate with plants chemically. This microscopic world quietly keeps the forest alive, reminding us that small things often carry the biggest impact. Chapter 20. Lightning-caused wildfires in the Amazon can spark rapid regrowth, creating diverse plant mosaics. Some seeds only sprout after fire, showing the forest evolved with fire as a renewal tool. Even destruction becomes a chance for innovation and survival, proving nature's resilience is astonishing. Chapter 21. The Amazon rainforest is home to over 2,000 species of butterflies, creating a living kaleidoscope. Their patterns warn predators or attract mates. Some mimic leaves or poisonous insects. Each flutter represents survival strategies honed over millions of years. The forest teaches that even beauty has a purpose in nature's design. Chapter 22. Capybaras, the largest rodents on Earth, thrive in Amazon wetlands. They live in family groups, grazing on grass and helping disperse seeds. Their calm presence hides an essential ecological role. They are prey, pollinators of life, and ecosystem engineers, keeping rivers and forests functioning smoothly. Chapter 23. The Amazon contains over 1,100 tree species used by humans for food, medicine, and construction. Brazil nuts, rubber, and acai berries come from these trees. Indigenous people have sustainably harvested them for centuries. Every plant has a story, showing the forest as a living, renewable treasure chest. Chapter 24. Sloths move slowly but host entire ecosystems on their fur, including algae, insects, and fungi. This slow lifestyle saves energy and creates microhabitats for other creatures. Even their pauses are purposeful, demonstrating that slowness can be a strategy for survival in a competitive rainforest. Chapter 25. The Amazon's jaguars are apex predators, silently shaping prey populations. They hunt at night, leaving no room for overpopulation. Their powerful presence maintains balance across the forest. In every paw step, the rainforest shows predation as a tool for harmony, not chaos. Chapter 26. The rainforest's rivers flood annually, creating temporary wetlands that support fish and plants. Seeds float on water, spreading life across vast areas. These floods are not disasters. They are nature's way of renewing and connecting ecosystems, ensuring resilience across seasons. Chapter 27. The Amazon's bats number over 130 species, feeding on insects, fruit, and nectar. They act as natural pest control and seed dispersers. Many plants rely entirely on bats for pollination. In darkness, these winged creatures silently orchestrate the forest's reproductive success. Chapter 28. The Amazon rainforest hosts unique ant species, like army ants that hunt in coordinated swarms. Their teamwork amazes scientists, showing communication, strategy, and efficiency. Even the tiniest creatures contribute to forest health, reminding us that collective action is a natural law. Chapter 29. Amazonian rivers carry sediments that enrich soil downstream, feeding agriculture and towns far away. Though the forest soil is poor locally, its rivers distribute nutrients across the continent. The rainforest acts as a giant ecological conveyor belt, connecting life and humans over thousands of kilometers. Chapter 30. The Amazon produces natural chemicals called allelochemicals, which some plants release to block competitors. This quiet chemical warfare shapes forest diversity. Each plant uses intelligence encoded by evolution to survive. Nature here is subtle, strategic, and endlessly fascinating, proving complexity doesn't need noise to exist. Chapter 31. The Amazon rainforest is home to more than 1,300 species of birds that live only here. Some, like the Watseen, are so unique they seem prehistoric. Their songs fill the canopy with music. Each bird plays a role in seed dispersal and insect control. The forest is a living orchestra of winged life. Chapter 32. The Amazon's pink river dolphins navigate muddy waters with sonar. They hunt fish, avoid predators, and sometimes interact with humans. Their intelligence and social bonds surprise scientists. These creatures show the forest's rivers are not just water, they are highways for complex, vibrant life. Chapter 33. Giant water lilies, called Victoria amazonica, can grow over 3 meters wide. Their floating leaves support insects, frogs, and small animals. They bloom at night, attracting pollinators with luminous colors. Even a single plant is a microhabitat, demonstrating the rainforest's layered wonders. Chapter 34. The Amazon hosts over 400 mammal species, including elusive ocelots. These nocturnal hunters silently balance prey populations. Each mammal is a living thread in the forest's tapestry. Their survival depends on interconnected habitats, proving life here is interwoven, delicate, and resilient. Chapter 35. Some Amazon trees, like the kapok, produce seeds coated in fluff that float on wind. This dispersal method spreads life across miles. Seeds drift with air currents, colonizing new areas. Nature's engineering shows that even in vast forests, small forces create monumental impact. Chapter 36. The rainforest's fungi are crucial decomposers. They break down dead leaves and wood, returning nutrients to the ecosystem. Some even communicate chemically with trees. Hidden beneath the forest floor, fungi quietly maintain life above, proving that unseen networks drive visible abundance. Chapter 37. Amazonian piranhas feed in schools, targeting weak or injured prey. Despite their fearsome reputation, they play a key role in maintaining fish population balance. Predation here is precise, controlled, and essential, showing the forest's natural systems operate with efficiency, not chaos. Chapter 38. The forest canopy shelters countless insects, spiders, and small birds. Life above is a world of predators and prey, pollinators and seeds, all in constant motion. From 30 meters high, the rainforest appears calm, but it's a bustling city of life hidden in green layers. Chapter 39. The Amazon River's water contains unique bacteria that recycle nutrients for plants and fish. These microorganisms form invisible ecosystems essential for survival. Life depends on them as much as on giant trees or apex predators. Even microscopic creatures carry immense ecological power. Chapter 40. Lightning strikes create gaps in the canopy, letting sunlight reach the forest floor. This triggers seed germination and new plant growth. Small openings become opportunities for life to expand. The Amazon teaches that destruction can become a spark for regeneration, blending risk and renewal perfectly. Chapter 41. The Amazon rainforest contains over 400 species of reptiles, including caimans and iguanas. Each reptile helps control populations of fish, insects, and small mammals. Their presence maintains balance across the forest. Silent and patient, they remind us that adaptation and timing are essential survival tools in a complex ecosystem. Chapter 42. The forest's bromeliads collect rainwater in their leaves, creating mini freshwater habitats for frogs, insects, and larvae. These tiny pools are critical for survival during dry seasons. Every drop matters, showing that even the smallest water reservoirs shape life in the rainforest. Chapter 43. Some Amazon trees, like the rubber tree, have inspired global industry. Indigenous people first tapped latex centuries ago. Today, rubber shapes cars, shoes, and countless products. The rainforest quietly provides resources that impact human civilization, proving nature's wealth is vast and practical. Chapter 44. The Amazon hosts numerous venomous snakes, like bushmasters and ferdilants. Their venom regulates prey populations, preventing overgrazing and maintaining biodiversity. Fear masks their ecological importance, yet without these predators, the forest would lose balance. Nature uses even danger as a tool for stability. Chapter 45. The Amazon's soil is mostly infertile, yet the forest thrives due to rapid nutrient recycling. Fallen leaves and decayed plants release nutrients for new growth. Life above ground depends on this underground system. The forest is a masterclass in efficiency, balance, and hidden resource management. Chapter 46. The Amazon contains over 2,500 species of fish, some adapted to flooded forests. Fish navigate submerged trees and flooded plains, finding food and avoiding predators. Their diversity supports countless animals. The forest's aquatic life shows adaptation meets opportunity in every season. Chapter 47. The rainforest's jaguar populations influence prey behavior. Herbivores avoid overgrazing sensitive areas, maintaining plant diversity. Predators indirectly shape ecosystems without touching every tree. The Amazon proves that power can be subtle, yet profoundly effective in maintaining balance. Chapter 48. The Amazon contains living fossils, like the Watsine bird, which has claws on its wings as a chick. These ancient traits reveal evolutionary history preserved in the forest. Nature here is a bridge between past and present, showing survival strategies that lasted millions of years. Chapter 49. The Amazon's rivers expand and shrink with rainfall, creating dynamic habitats. Fish, turtles, and amphibians move with water levels, exploiting new feeding areas. This rhythm connects life cycles to the seasons. The forest demonstrates that movement and flexibility are keys to survival. Chapter 50. The forest is home to unique orchids, some blooming only once per year. Their shapes attract specific pollinators, ensuring reproduction. Every flower is a calculated effort of evolution. Even delicate beauty in the Amazon carries precision, purpose, and survival strategy. Chapter 51. The Amazon is home to hundreds of indigenous tribes, some living with minimal contact with the outside world. They rely on the forest for food, medicine, and shelter. Their knowledge of plants and animals is unmatched, showing that human survival can exist in harmony with nature if respect and balance are maintained. Chapter 52. The forest produces natural insect repellents. Certain plants emit chemicals that protect themselves and nearby trees. Indigenous people use these properties for protection from mosquitoes and pests. Nature's defense mechanisms are invisible yet incredibly effective, teaching us lessons in adaptation and survival. Chapter 53. The Amazon contains over 2,000 species of trees that produce edible fruits. From acai berries to guavas, these fruits feed animals and humans alike. Trees coordinate with animals to spread seeds. The forest demonstrates that mutual benefits are fundamental to thriving ecosystems. Chapter 54. Leafcutter ants in the Amazon are master farmers. They cut leaves, carry them underground, and cultivate fungus gardens. This fungus becomes their primary food. Ant societies are organized with precision and teamwork, proving that intelligence and cooperation exist even in tiny creatures. Chapter 55. The Amazon's rivers host electric eels capable of producing powerful shocks. They hunt and defend with electricity, a rare adaptation. These eels reveal that life in the rainforest often evolves unique solutions to survive, blending physics with biology in natural innovation. Chapter 56. Some Amazon plants use camouflage to hide from herbivores. Leaves mimic shapes, colors, or even insect patterns. Survival here depends on deception, showing that appearance can be as vital as strength or speed in nature. Chapter 57. The forest contains over 1,500 species of flowering plants. Their bright colors attract pollinators like bees, birds, and bats. Each flower contributes to the rainforest's food web. The Amazon demonstrates that beauty is not just aesthetic, it's survival engineering. Chapter 58. Sloths' slow metabolism allows them to survive on limited food, yet their fur hosts algae, insects, and fungi. This tiny ecosystem illustrates symbiosis in action, where one species supports many others, creating a balanced, multi-layered network of life. Chapter 59. The Amazon's rivers contain flooded forests, where trees grow partially submerged. Fish, amphibians, and birds adapt to these watery landscapes. Life in flooded areas demonstrates that flexibility and adaptation are essential survival traits in dynamic ecosystems. Chapter 60. The forest's canopy is so dense it blocks most sunlight, creating a shaded understory. Ferns, mosses, and small mammals thrive here. Each layer supports the next, forming a multi-level ecosystem where every organism depends on subtle balance for survival. Chapter 61. The Amazon rainforest contains giant anteaters that use long tongues to eat thousands of ants daily. Their hunting prevents insect overpopulation, maintaining balance. Even slow, deliberate movements contribute to survival. Anteaters remind us that every creature, no matter how unusual, plays a key role in the ecosystem. Chapter 62. The forest hosts poison dart frogs, which secrete toxins for defense. Indigenous tribes historically used these poisons for hunting. Their bright colors signal danger to predators, showing that survival often relies on both chemical and visual intelligence. Chapter 63. Amazonian rivers carry sediments rich in minerals, nourishing distant lands. These natural deliveries support agriculture and ecosystems far beyond the forest. The Amazon functions as a planetary nutrient transporter, connecting life across continents. Chapter 64. The Amazon hosts over 400 species of amphibians, including rare caecilians. Many live underground or in trees, hidden from view. Their silent existence is crucial for insect control and soil health. Life in the forest often thrives quietly, but with immense impact. Chapter 65. Giant otters hunt cooperatively in Amazon rivers, sharing food and protecting pups. Their teamwork shows intelligence and social bonds, ensuring survival for generations. Even playful behavior reflects purpose and efficiency in the rainforest's delicate systems. Chapter 66. The Amazon contains living lianas, climbing vines that reach the canopy. They connect trees, providing pathways for animals. Lianas also compete for sunlight, shaping forest structure. These climbing plants illustrate that competition and cooperation coexist naturally in complex ecosystems. Chapter 67. Some Amazon plants produce sticky fruits or seeds to attach to animals. This method ensures wide dispersal without relying on wind or water. Survival often depends on clever partnerships, showing nature's subtle strategies for reproduction and growth. Chapter 68. The Amazon is home to hundreds of bat species that feed on fruit, insects, and nectar. Many plants rely entirely on bats for pollination. Nightly flights spread life across kilometers, proving that nocturnal creatures silently sustain forest diversity. Chapter 69. The Amazon's rivers flood seasonally, creating temporary habitats for fish, turtles, and birds. Life adapts to rising waters, showing flexibility is key. Seasonal floods demonstrate that change is not a threat, but an opportunity for the rainforest to renew itself. Chapter 70. The forest canopy shelters countless insects and spiders, forming micro-ecosystems above the forest floor. Predators, prey, and pollinators interact constantly. Life here is hidden from view, yet it supports the entire rainforest, showing that complexity often thrives unseen. Chapter 71. The Amazon hosts giant river turtles, which migrate seasonally to lay eggs on sandy shores. Their movements shape riverbanks and provide nutrients for other species. Every hatchling contributes to the ecosystem. These ancient reptiles show that life cycles can shape landscapes and sustain countless other organisms. Chapter 72. The forest contains over 400 mammal species, including capuchin monkeys that use tools. They crack nuts and extract insects, demonstrating intelligence and adaptability. Even small primates influence seed dispersal and forest dynamics. The Amazon proves that cleverness evolves everywhere, from canopy to floor. Chapter 73. The Amazon is home to numerous medicinal plants, like the cinchona tree for malaria treatment. Indigenous knowledge preserves these remedies. The forest acts as a natural pharmacy, hiding potential cures for human diseases in every leaf and root. Chapter 74. The forest's canopy rivers, water flowing above flooded areas, allow fish and amphibians to move freely. Seasonal changes reshape the landscape, creating temporary pathways. This highlights that dynamic ecosystems rely on water cycles and constant adaptation for survival. Chapter 75. The Amazon is home to incredible fungi, decomposing fallen leaves and wood. Some form networks connecting trees, allowing communication and nutrient sharing. These underground systems remind us that hidden networks are critical for visible life above. Chapter 76. The rainforest contains over 2,000 fish species, including armored catfish that graze algae. Each species maintains balance, feeding others and cleaning rivers. Fish diversity demonstrates that even underwater life plays a crucial role in forest health. Chapter 77. The Amazon's jaguars hunt silently at night, influencing prey distribution and vegetation growth. Predation ensures no species dominates. Apex predators show that balance often comes from strategic, unseen forces maintaining the forest's harmony. Chapter 78. The forest hosts hundreds of orchids, each adapted to specific pollinators. Their vibrant colors and scents attract insects and birds, ensuring reproduction. Every flower is a precise survival strategy, proving that beauty can be functional and essential. Chapter 79. Lightning strikes occasionally spark small fires, clearing dead plants and opening space for seedlings. This natural disturbance allows new life to flourish, showing that regeneration often begins with destruction in the Amazon. Chapter 80. The Amazon contains camouflaged insects, mimicking leaves or bark. They avoid predators while feeding or reproducing. Survival here depends on clever disguise, teaching that adaptation can be as subtle as blending in with surroundings. Chapter 81. The Amazon hosts army ants, moving in coordinated swarms to hunt insects and small animals. Their teamwork is precise, leaving no prey behind. Even tiny creatures follow strategies that sustain the forest's balance. Army ants show that organization and cooperation are powerful survival tools in nature. Chapter 82. The rainforest's rivers carry nutrient-rich sediments during floods, fertilizing downstream lands. These natural deliveries support agriculture, forests, and human settlements. The Amazon acts as a lifeline for regions far beyond its borders, proving its global importance. Chapter 83. The forest canopy shelters colorful macaws, flying in pairs or flocks. They eat seeds and fruits, dispersing them across miles. Their vibrant feathers and loud calls are signals of life and vitality. Macaws remind us that even beauty in nature serves a functional purpose. Chapter 84. The Amazon's giant anteaters feed on ants and termites, consuming thousands daily. Their role controls insect populations, preventing ecological imbalance. Slow and deliberate, they demonstrate that patience and efficiency are essential traits in survival. Chapter 85. The rainforest contains living lianas, climbing plants that connect trees. Animals use them as pathways, while lianas compete for sunlight. These vines illustrate that competition and connectivity coexist naturally, shaping life and movement within the forest. Chapter 86. Some Amazon plants produce sticky seeds or fruits, attaching to animals for dispersal. This ensures survival without relying on wind or water. Nature uses clever partnerships, proving that strategic cooperation is a common theme in evolution. Chapter 87. The Amazon's bats number over 130 species, feeding on fruit, insects, and nectar. They are essential pollinators, spreading life across vast distances. Nightly flights ensure reproduction and survival. Even in darkness, these creatures sustain forest diversity silently but powerfully. Chapter 88. Seasonal floods create temporary aquatic habitats for fish, turtles, and amphibians. Life adapts to rising waters, moving and reproducing with the cycles. Floods demonstrate that change can be a driving force for survival in dynamic ecosystems. Chapter 89. The forest's canopy houses insects and spiders, forming microecosystems high above the floor. Predators, prey, and pollinators interact constantly, sustaining layers below. Hidden complexity ensures the entire rainforest functions as a balanced, living system. Chapter 90. Giant river turtles migrate to lay eggs on riverbanks, shaping local habitats. Hatchlings feed predators, while adults maintain balance in aquatic systems. Their life cycle shows that every species, large or small, impacts ecosystem health. Chapter 91. The Amazon is home to prehistoric-looking fish, like the arapaima. They can grow over 3 meters long and breathe air. Their size and strength make them apex freshwater species. Arapaima show that ancient adaptations can persist successfully in modern ecosystems, blending survival with evolutionary history. Chapter 92. Some Amazon trees produce medicinal compounds, still studied for human cures. Indigenous knowledge guides scientists to discover life-saving treatments. The forest is a hidden pharmacy, where every leaf, root, and bark holds potential secret asterisk for health and medicine. Chapter 93. The forest canopy produces its own rainfall, releasing water vapor into the air. Trees contribute to cloud formation that rains down across the continent. This flying river effect shows the Amazon controls regional and even global weather patterns. Chapter 94. The Amazon hosts camouflaged frogs, blending perfectly with leaves and moss. Predators overlook them, allowing survival in a dangerous environment. Life here shows that disguise can be a crucial strategy for survival, not just speed or strength. Chapter 95. Lightning sparks gaps in the forest, letting sunlight reach the floor. This triggers seed germination and new growth. Nature uses destruction as a tool for renewal. The Amazon teaches that risk and opportunity coexist naturally in vibrant ecosystems. Chapter 96. The rainforest's bromeliads hold small water pools, sustaining frogs, insects, and larvae during dry periods. These mini ecosystems are essential for survival. Even tiny reservoirs play outsized roles in maintaining biodiversity and ecological balance. Chapter 97. The Amazon hosts unique fungi that decompose leaves and recycle nutrients. Some connect trees, allowing chemical communication underground. Hidden networks prove that microscopic life drives the visible forest, sustaining countless species above ground. Chapter 98. Sloths host entire microecosystems on their fur, including algae, insects, and fungi. This slow-moving lifestyle creates habitats for others while conserving energy. Even laziness becomes purposeful, showing that every action in nature can have layered benefits. Chapter 99. The Amazon contains giant water lilies, supporting insects, frogs, and small animals. Their massive leaves float above rivers, creating habitats. Each plant is a mini-world, demonstrating that life finds clever ways to thrive in water and on land. Chapter 100. The Amazon rainforest, covering 5.5 million square kilometers, produces 20% of the world's oxygen and supports millions of species. Its rivers, trees, and wildlife create interconnected systems essential for life. The forest stands as a reminder that Earth's survival depends on preserving its lungs and its hidden wonders. The Amazon rainforest is more than just a forest. It's a living, breathing system that sustains our planet. From giant rivers to tiny insects, every creature and plant plays a role. Protecting it protects life itself. Remember, the forest's wonders are a reminder of nature's power, resilience, and endless beauty.